Let's learn about different types of automobile vehicles. Car. Cars are small and comfortable. It takes families on fun rides. Bus. Buses are big and long. It carries many people together. Truck. Trucks are strong and big. It carries heavy things far away. Van. Van is like a big car. It can carry people or lots of stuff. Motorcycle. Motorcycle is fast and fun. Motorcycles have just two wheels. Bicycle. Bicycle is to pedal and go. It runs on your own energy. Jeep. Jeeps are tough and bumpy. It can drive on rough roads. Ambulance. Ambulance is a special van. It helps sick people get to the hospital quickly. Police car. Police car zooms with sirens to keep everyone safe. Fire truck. Fire truck is the big red truck that brings water to put out fires.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to show some love.